Alrighty guys, here we are. We got stuck. We got another day, another dollar here at Dos Locos Garage. Today, we got a little surprise for you guys. This week, there was a big sale of classic cars, as you can see. Look at this one right here, 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. We got a classic of our own in this sale, and I'm excited to see it, man. It doesn't look as clean as this, but the goal is to get it like this. And we're gonna walk right to it right now. We're gonna show you guys, okay? And let me know what you think down in the comments whenever you see what car it is. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. 1969 Ford Mustang base. It's rough, but I like it. I like it, guys. Check this out. Yeah, reupholstered it. Hey, I don't mind it. Close to the original color. See this? They made it super yellow, special yellow, I guess. We're gonna go back to this gold though, for sure. Since it's already painted that way, we're gonna paint it back to that color. See what I'm saying? This car is nice, guys. It's missing a couple things. I think it's in the trunk. We don't have the key yet, so we can't start it. When you see us again, we're gonna have this thing started, hopefully. Gotta go get the key.
What kind of engine it got in it?
So it has a 250.
That's a 250.
250. It's an inline 6.
Inline 6.
I think it has a 3-speed automatic, if I'm not mistaken. I like it, guys. I'm really in love with it. I'll sell whatever I got and I'll keep this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I fell in love. I'm an old car kind of guy, and this is an old car. Ready? Hey, we're gonna get it started in about 5 minutes. I'll be right back. So we got the keys. We came over here all the way in the back of the auction where all the cars come in and most of the crash cars are. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups, guys.
Show the keys to the Mustang.
And man, it came with a lot of keys.
This thing has a key for the trunk, for everything.
Original Ford key. Well, nice, I like it. Family of fine cars. Ford. Guys, this is looking good. I like it. Let's go try to turn it.
Let's go turn it on, guys.
Man, I got the hiccups.
Time to check if it turns on.
I got the keys to the Mustang, baby.
What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna turn on first try?
The battery doesn't look too old, so let's see.
Let's see if it turns on.
Cross your fingers.
Pump that pedal.
Get your gas.
Alright, we need the starter.
Alright, go ahead. Not looking too good.
No. Necesita otro más grande. Se calentó. Se calentó el monito.
Is it gonna turn on?
Intenta otra vez, pero no va a prender. Necesita otro más grande.
Put it fluid. Put it fluid.
No le pises al gas. Déjalo solo.
Don't press the gas. Pero ponle el spray que tú tienes.
Se va a ahogar si le echo mucho spray. Ya le pisó 2-3 veces.
Don't press the gas.
Espera. A ver, acelera. Ok, sí está echando gas.
Okay, it's throwing gas, so we know that works.
Espera.
Put a little starter fluid in there.
Dale.
He said don't flood it. Woo! Let's go! Let's go, baby. Oh!
Está frío, ahorita es que mantenerlo. Debe de prender solo otra vez, dale.
Woo! Let's go, baby. It's turned on, guys. Woo! This thing is nice. Alex, I don't think you own a car. So why you show us that? Why don't you just keep it on?
¿Por qué le quitaste el dedo?
¿Por qué? Dale, otra vez, dale, dale.
¿Qué es lo que tiene? ¿Qué lo prende?
Pues hay que calentarlo porque es
It's gotta warm it up. It's cold, yeah.
Sí.
All the parts in the back, guys. This thing has all the parts that we need to put it together. Everything is missing from the mirrors to the door panel. Everything, guys. This is a bonus for us. It's pretty cool.
Bro,
Do you think it could drive 45 minutes home?
we're gonna drive it now. Everybody take a car.
All right, let's. Cause we're debating if we're gonna drive it or if we're gonna tow it there.
I don't think I'm gonna drive it home just because it's old and you know I might have to.
Yeah, he's actually driving. This is pretty cool, man. This thing is driving and going. I can't wait to restore this thing. I'm excited about this. Hold on, Angel. I'm gonna give you the camera so you can record you driving it. Here. Alrighty, guys. Here we are. We got stuck.